About 99% of students got this simple algebraic expression wrong. Now, look at how some students simplify this expression. We have 44 divided by 11 into 7 minus 4 to the power of 2. Now, let's start off with this. We have 44 divided by 11. Because of this parentheses, we have multiplication here. When 7 minus 4, that gives 3 to the power of 2. Then, first of all, simplify out this. We have 44 divided by 11 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. That gives 9. Then here, they consider this multiplication here. You have 44 divided by 11 times 9. That gives 99. Then right here, this see the same thing as 44 all over 99, and they divided both the numerator and the denominator by 11. When 44 divided by 11, that gives 4. When 99 divided by 11, that gives 9. And this answer they got, but this answer is wrong. Therefore, this first approach here is completely wrong. Don't make this mistake. Now, to get this correctly, we are going to have this 44 divided by 11 into 7 minus 4 to the power of 2. Then right here, we are going to apply PEMDAS. Now, following this order of operation here, the first thing to be considered, a parenthesis, which is this bracket here. We also have exponents, the next. We also have multiplication. We also have division, no addition, subtraction in the parentheses. Now, following this, note quite already that multiplication and division is of have the same precedence, and the operation here is from left to right. Now, we are going to first of all consider the brackets or the parentheses. As such, we need to simplify the terms inside these parentheses first, and the expression becomes 44 divided by 11. Because of this parenthesis, you're going to have multiplication here. When 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4, that will give us 3. Now to the power of 2 here. Then next, we need to simplify this. We have exponents next. We need to simplify this. Then the expression becomes 44 divided by 11 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2. That gives 9. Then here, from the order of operation, we are going to consider division here because division is higher priority than the multiplication. Now, we consider this 44 divided by 11, that will give us 4 when multiplied by 9. Then lastly, we consider multiplication. Then 4 times 9, that will give us 36. And this is the correct answer to this given expression right here. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next